Commit thy way unto the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37:5. And now abideth faith, hope, charity, these three, but the greatest is charity. 1 Corinthians 13:13. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Psalm 51:10. The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? Psalm 27:1. For we walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Proverbs 9:10. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and ye shall find. Matthew 7:7. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Isaiah 40:31. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. Matthew 22:39. Jesus wept. John 11:35. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God. Romans 8:28. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. Genesis 1:1. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord. Jeremiah 29:11. I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. Philippians 4:13. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23:1. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son. John 3:16. Nicodemus answered and said unto him, How can these things be? John 3:9. Remember ye not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Isaiah 43:18. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. Matthew 22:39.